Part 2 of my FG clone gas tank repair. I'm just sitting out here now letting it dry, but the tank started leaking around the hole right there, so I had to fill it off and then put a bolt in there and redo another hole. So when everything dry, it should be perfect now. But yeah, I did a plastic weld, smoothed it out, and then came over it with a epoxy arm sealer. So we should be good. It's hard to find this gas can because the car cloned and it was made in another country. So as you know, parts are very hard to find, so I had to try to repair it. But I could have fabricated probably any other kind of 1/5 scale gas tank, but I want to try to keep it original. But yeah, there you go.